How to fix invite collaboration option not showing on Instagram. So if you want to fix the invite collaboration option not showing on your Instagram, then first you need to open up your Instagram application and go with profile, which is on the bottom right, and go with the upper right, which has that 3 bar icon. And here you need to scroll down and go with account types and tools. And under that, make sure that you have a professional account, because if you don't have a professional account, then you won't have an option of invite collaboration. So even after having the professional account, and if you don't have the invite collaboration option, then you need to scroll down and go with the help option. Once you tap on help, go with report a problem, and again tap on report a problem, and it will start preparing a bug report, and go with include and continue. And here you need to briefly explain what happened and what's not working. So you need to write that I don't have an option of invite collaboration, so please help me with that. And you need to go with upload, which is here on the bottom left, and you can upload some screenshots. And after that, you need to go with send, which is on the upper right, and send that report. Once you've sent, then you will receive some emails in which you will receive the help from Instagram. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.